Video 340, subseries part 59. We're making an MMO from complete scratch, and we are on Simpler Auto Tile Shader part 59 of the Atomic Ivy MMO, and it's video 340 right here. So we're working on getting mirroring, actually not mirroring, sorry, my bad. We're working on getting rotation into our auto tiles. We have this little function here that takes latching X and Y, mirroring X and Y, the rotation code, and bitpacks it into an AM6 value. So here's all of our inputs, and then we're going to air check our inputs right here, and then right here we need to do a little bit of extra work where we get the individual bits of the rotation code out before we bitpack everything together right here. And then we're going to spit out the bitpacked AM6 value right here. So we're also going to air check the outputs if air check outputs is on. Down here, this is the editor click handler for when we're using the game as an editor, the mouse position, whether or not we're clicking and dragging. And if we go down here, in this section here, we've modified it a little bit. We're going to forward declare all the local variables we're going to work with. And this has not changed, it just changed cosmetically. But we've added this function call right here, this AM6, which is the result of bitpacking, latching X and Y with mirroring X and Y and the rotation code. We're going to take all these things, bitpack it into an AM6. Now the AM6 is an extension of the AM4, so this expression should be true. If it's not, we're going to throw an error right here. Here's what we did previously, and here's a little footnote as to what we did in this video. If you want a longer explanation, you can go to this video here. You have been on the short playlist. You can get the source code here, and you can email me here. You have been on video 340. Like, subscribe, and send money in the mail.